Hi! In front of me is DOOGEE S95 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications on this device. First of all, go into Settings, then just Apps and Notifications, select Notifications, and pick See All from last 7 days. Finally, you can pick one of your apps, for example Chrome, and click on the switcher next to it. All notifications from Chrome are now blocked. If you wish to turn them back on, click at the same switcher. You can also just tap on one of your apps and manage notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!